Okay, third day back out. It is looking absolutely gorgeous out here today. Hopefully we're gonna have some better luck today than yesterday. But it is looking absolutely beautiful. Much better than yesterday. So wish me luck, and let's see what happens.
Check it up, baby.
Parkie, livebait.
Lekker man, ja, hij is goeie livebait daar. Dat is mooi man. Wat zei, bergam. Blaas oppie, mooi man. Ja. Hopefully this library produces some cob. So steer hem.
Sien dit.
So.
Plak met. Ja, right.
Nummer 2 van Marcel. Assai, lekker man.
Popper. Een popperkie.
Hey. Kom bliksem.
Asse, mooi. Asse.
Hij is vis. Hij is een vis.
Iets heel gas. Dat is een lekker kopskit dan. Wat zei je? Zo ja. Wat precies zei?
Dat is een beetje klein voor de nek.
Assai, faster man.
Ja, first Red Roman of the day.
Assai.
Of the day.
Lekker man.
Kom ik help jou gauw. Ik het gister zo gewoond geraakt om vis van andere mensen af te halen.
Ik heb het gehoord, ja.
Shout out to Joost Engelbrecht.
First Red Roman of the day. Those beautiful colors. The iconic white spot here on the body. Very beautiful fish. So for a big one.
Send it home.
Yeah, go call your parents. Nice, I'm gonna put some chocolate on.
Oh, my bad.
Nog een rammer. Dat is een mooie.
Let's see. Woo! For the bag. Let's see. Huh? Voila, let's go.
Ja?
Nice what?
Ja, dat is 5 centimeter oor.
Let's see. Here's the fuzzy very buck. Huh?
Ja, bakt.
So, first fish for the day, guys. One's going home with us, one's going home with us. That's the first fish on the boat. Hopefully we can catch many more. And yeah, let's get some bigger fish.
Hey?
En look by him.
Dat is een mooie visie vis.
Dan is elke vis weg.
Oh, andersom hoor.
Cheers, buddy. Rigging up to trawl a bit, see if we can find some skipjack or bonito, and yeah, hopefully these beauties will work. The rain's coming in over there, but yeah, hopefully by then we'll have a few fish on the boat already. But it is absolutely beautiful day today.
Anchor man.
Yeah, then we're gonna head on to the next spot, maybe trawl a bit, and hopefully we get some skipjack there.
Boom.
Yes.
Done.
Let's go.
Maximus just deep. Gaan voor Maximus.
Let's put the lures out. Got 2 bungees out, 1 bird at the back, and then 2 X-wraps. So yeah, let's hope for the best. Yeah, it's just a waiting game. See which reel wins first. Hopefully they do. Just heard some great news from another boat, and apparently we're en route to them now, and the fish are absolutely going crazy. So hopefully the same happens. I am crazy excited because I've never catched a bonito or skipjack ever.
Panorama, just space.
Yeah, so yeah, let's see what happens. Let's go, guys. Going right to the school. Shit's getting real. Let's see what happens.
Oh yes.
Say, son.
Bring die stokken in, ouwen. Hey. Hou net in hier, hou net in hier. Kijk eens op die andere pad op.
Bring hom in, Marcel, bring hom in.
Rij een beetje stadiger voor mij alsjeblieft, rij stadiger. Sorry. Kom maar stop.
Let's go! Woo!
Ah, fitta!
Say, Marcel, well done.
Thank you, brother.
Heerlijkheid, awesome.
Breek je zijn nek.
And in a true Philip Gilbert fashion, I unknowingly turn off the GoPro as I'm ready to catch my first ever bonito just as the rod starts running. Just watch. Damn, that was invigorating. Got my first ever bonnie. Ah, that was epic. Ah, that was so lovely. I loved it. Felt extra heavy. It was a foul hook, but I mean, fish is a fish. So yeah, lovely. Let's go next one. I say, vang hom stil, vang hom stil, vang hom stil. I say stop, mooi stop. I don't know, it's too nice slap now.
Sopiana. Sorry, pa. Well done.
Right, joh.
Lekker, man.
Mooi stop.
Dit is voor die dag. Kijk hier zo neem. Allemaal op huid op. Ja, dat is.
Dat is die pinke.
Allemaal op huid. Dat is.
Say, lekker stof. Say, lekker man.
Well done. Yes, dat was nou breed, hè?
Say, man. Awesome. Dat is een big volsbeer. Dat is een big volsbeer.
Asai. Zo.
Oké, trap hem terug. Zo.
Zo.
Marcel, wat is het? Dat is zo. Kijk.
Hier nog even in de pad, hoor. Ja, niet geprezen, toch?
En wij jullie draaien heeltemal verkeerd.
Ik draai nu.
Prachtige sander. What an eventful morning it was. Woke up this morning after having quite a bad day yesterday out on the water, and God blessed us with some lovely fish. Yeah.
Yes.
3 bonito, 1 santer and 1 red roman. So super excited to start feeding this fish, and yeah, just ready to eat them. So first things first, I want to take the scales of the fish off. So all this little fancy nice tool that my dad used to use. Otherwise, if you don't have one, honestly, it's fine to just use a knife. Works quite nicely, easily. Nice. First bonito fillet all done, nice and thick. Oh my gosh, look at that meat. Looks absolutely delicious. Machtig. If you can see right through the fillet, then you know you did it really well. Oh, kyk there. It's got some fish eggs over here. Actually, look at that. Check, I'm gonna keep those. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these fish eggs. They do taste really nice with some lemon juice and salt and pepper. Definitely keeping those.
Ons het nou oor jou gepraat.
Die agtermiddag praat.
Nee, ons praat net goeie goed. Die Marcel Magic.
Kijk, ja, hij is binnen met die opste dag aan bij wat blij nu. Hij blijft bij stop.
Nee.
Ja, maar braai kalf, né?
Bel my as jy er weer raad oor is.
Môre.
Wat was dit, kabeljauw?
Nee, is Bonitos.
Bonito, okay?
Ja, hangballe.
Dat is mijn ballen en ja.
Dit lyk soos 'n skrotumsakkie op hom.
Dat is een skurtumsakkie.
Hy is lekker as jy maar reg.
Het is heerlijk, ja. Three beautiful bonito fillets, the 2 red roman and the 1 santer. Yeah, super excited. And obviously we got the eggs over there, which I'm really excited to try. Yeah, let's head home. Chew. Back at camp now, I'm just gonna spice up the fish eggs. Gonna drop them in some tin foil, put some lemon juice over them, add some salt and pepper, and then they're perfect for the braai.
Hulle het bly voorraad.
Hulle het al brood gehad. Ons het al brood gehad dan.
Okay, so most of the fish is done up now. First we have 1 piece of the red roman and 1 piece of the santer with some salt and pepper and some butter, and then 2 pieces raw because I just want to, compare the tastes. And then we're going to take the bonito and put some garlic and herb with butter in on the fish, and hopefully that gives the bonito some delicious taste.
It's pretty.
Oh, really pretty.
Oh, excellent. Huh?
Sakke af, 'n restaurant Caribou.
Oh, is moeilijk om.
En hulle spesialiseer in Suid-Afrikaans. So laat so aankom om te doen vir myself. Jy is nie wat is julle nou? Julle nou daar.
The butter one is really nice. Yeah, it's absolutely delicious. Try the normal one.
Wat maak die manne? Speel hulle nog 'n bordgamie?
This is nice, honestly.
Hulle sit vir my, hulle sit
I think what makes the other one better is just obviously the garlic, because I'm a very big garlic lover. Yeah, just delicious. Yeah, okay, now for the fish eggs. We put the fish eggs in now. I'll keep you guys updated. They're like more like oh, that looks delicious.
Ja. Finger looking good.
Oh, let me grab myself a piece.
Eat you some of that, man.
Oh my gosh. First day catching a bonito, first day eating a bonito. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Machtig. Gosh.
Hell yeah.
Well done to the
More of
braai
that.
though. That was excellent.
More of that, huh?
That was excellent. Okay guys, after an epic day full of surprises. Oh my gosh, I still have to do the fish eggs. It's still in the braai. I'm gonna get that now. And yeah, just give me a moment.
Adios, folks.
Okay, let's do this.
Look at this, fish eggs, man.
Okay, first one is gonna be the skipjack, the Bonitos eggs. Nice, strong texture, very delicious. Yeah, tastes like all the other eggs. Honestly, I didn't taste any difference.
Double down, double down.
The Red Roman. Much finer, much tastier, delicious. Woo! And that's a wrap. What a day.